If you live near the water, your roof has to handle salt air, harsh sun, and storm winds, not just look good. On a coastal resident in Clearwater, Florida, Team Armored Roofing completed a standing seam metal roof replacement using .032 aluminum panels finished in KYNAR Dark Bronze, a premium coastal-ready combo that delivers durability and a clean, modern look. Standing seam means hidden fasteners and locked-in seams, which helps the system shed water fast and resist wind uplift, especially important in Florida. This is the kind of upgrade you choose when you want long-term performance, lower maintenance, and a roof that still looks sharp years from now. If your current roof is aging, rusting, or leaking, or you just want to know where you stand before the next storm, visit teamarmor.com for a free roof inspection.